Hello guys, today we are making a catching stars game. It's going to be just like this. So let's get right into it. Click on create and delete this sprite and choose a backdrop. Let's choose blue sky too and then choose a sprite. Just search bowl and we need 3 sprites for this game. So another one is going to be line and one more which is the most star. So we don't want the line to be less that thick, that thin. So let's make it a little more thicker. So yeah, that's enough. And make it go over here. Let's just code it to when the green flag is clicked to go over here, and that's it. The bowl in that it's going to be, let's take the bowl over here and make it when the green flag is clicked. We are going to make it go here and forever change x by, take a times block and then put a minus block in the first slot and make it times 10 or 5. Then that, no, key right arrow pressed minus key left arrow pressed. So we have made the simple movement till now. Now let's should we code the variables? Yeah, let's code the variables. We need 3 variables. First is delete the my variable and make a high score variable and put a cloud variable and make a score variable and click OK and make another choose lives. Now let's code the high score variable. So a greater than block. If score is more than the high score, then set high score to score. But we haven't coded our score till now. So let's keep our high score over here, our score over here, and our lives just right below the score. Now let's code the star. When the green flag is clicked, it's going to hide and forever is going to create a clone of myself and wait 0.5 seconds. 0.5 seconds. And now when it starts as a clone, it's going to show and it's going to go to X and Y random, pick random from minus 250. Wait, let's see how long is the board. So minus 250 to 250, and its y is the highest is 171. Pick random from 180 to minus 180. No. It's going to go to 180. It has to go there 180. And when after that, it's going to repeat 60 times. Change y by 10. Wait until it's touching you can make it touching the line, and then if it does, it's going to hide and change lives lives by -1. But we have to set the lives when we start the game to 3. But forever can put in this if it is touching the bowl, the change. Oh, that's wrong. If it is touching the bowl while dropping down, no. We have made this wrong. We have to repeat it forever actually. Forever. Ever. Change y by wait until line, yeah. But let's keep it all the way up here and keep the change up like this. And if it is touching the bowl, it's going to hide. Yeah. It's going to hide and change score by 1. And yeah. Oh no, what is it stopping? Maybe we need to change y by top of that. Oh wait, it's supposed to be -10. Silly me. Take another forever block, keep it inside of the change y. Oh no. Oh, so it forever does that. If touching the bowl, let's make do that. And I think so we did this wrong. Maybe we need another if statement. If it's touching the line, then hide. Change lives by -1. And yeah. But we haven't still coded if the lives is equal to 0. then it's going to stop the project. So if the lives are less than 0, the lives less than 0, then it's going to stop the project. Oh, I think so. Let's make it wait 1 second. Yeah, well, if we have 0 lives, we lose. But let's make it 1. So it's gonna detect if it is less than 1, 2, 1, 0. Yeah. So this is the basic catching stars game. So don't forget to click that subscribe button and that like button, and bye.